This just in, new information regarding the ORAUSA Youth Night. For the first time in ORAUSA history, the ORAUSA Youth Night will be hosted by youths themselves. You'll be able to witness history unfolding in front of you. Make sure you go. There'll be performances and activities hosted by youth clubs, ranging from dance performances, dance competitions, fashion shows, and a breaking of the traditional kola nut by one of our own, Chugama Unukwe. Here is a clip of him breaking at our last event.
Akwa ụzọ akwa ọnụ, o wetara ọjị wetara ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ, mmiri atakwana azụ ahụrụ.
Well, you can see it for yourself in person once you go to the ORAUSA Youth Night. Not only will you get to see these amazing performances hosted by our own youths, but you get to meet the OES team yourselves. This is an amazing night that you don't want to miss, and a night that you'll be sure to remember. This is Adesri Nebu, and I'm signing off.